Back once again. It's your boy Exodel XL Vlogs, and finally I had another time, vacant time, for me to be able to make a compilation, a part two of a compilation from every clips of every movies that I have dissected, specifically from every Balisong scenes of every action movies. And these action movies are local Filipino action movies, pure Filipino action movies. So every balisong that you're about to see, meaning specifically every balisong that every main act or main character who are performing their act are holding genuine balisong, Filipino handmade balisongs, no? So I would also like to tell you that I have not created this video to showcase any form of violence or promoting any source of violence, any face of violence. I would only like to showcase that Filipinos are really the originators of the balisongs, because obviously most of our action movies, they have really showcased, or not necessarily promoted the balisong, but to showcase that the Filipinos really own the origin wise of the production of the balisong, that balisongs really came from the Philippines, that the Philippines or Batangas or Taal rather, the the heart of the birthplace of balisong. So yeah, I hope na I made it clear. The statement is clear that this clip is only for entertainment. Okay, so I hope you guys enjoy this, and yeah, peace to you all. And finally, the most awaited of all among the rest. I hope you enjoy this scene.
Bakit? Maaari ba kitang makausap sandali? Tungkol saan? Tungkol kay Aling Kune. Aling Kune? O bakit? Hindi pa ba sapat ang kinikita niyo sa bahay sugalan? Sa bahay aliwan? Pati na isang matandang magkakalamay pinatulan mo.
Pinatulan ko nga, pero binibigyan ko naman siya ng proteksyon.
Proteksyon saan? Sa mga taong katulad mo. Isampid ka lang dito.
Sampid nga, pero...
Alam mo ba na si Aling Kune ay dito pinanganak sa Tondo?
Eh ano kung pinanganak dito?
Ang nangyari, ako ang kinalaban mo. At hindi lang ako. Pati na rin nasira akong ama. At ama ng aking ama.
Eh ano kaya?
Ginalaw mo Tondo.
Ain't that just fantastic or whatnot? Amazing, right? Amazing scene. And for the bonus clip, FPJ, stabbed the hell out of that guy's palm. So there you have it. Hope you guys like the effort that I did. Catch you next time, and expect expect me doing more videos in the near future. Because I know this one is really Balisong enthusiast. Ain't that obvious? I gave an effort just to do the clips, the compilation. Yeah, peace out, yo, and see you next time. All right, subscribe and like it. Peace.